I wish there was a red right here in the front. Alright, let's get something massive. I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit as we always do. Nothing. Okay, Pablo Macan. One more. It's stacked. 27 bucks. We need a full screen. Oh, anyway, one more. No! Let's do that again, please. The raising up and get full screen. Nothing. Oh my gosh. Nothing again. Last spin. Nothing. Of course. Blues. Alright, 100 bucks. I'm guessing this game could actually be massive. Alright, I've never played this. I got the collect and free spin, so I never got, I don't know. But let's just get, I am playing 60 cents, just to play. You can't destroy me too bad at 60 cents. Collect 0, thank you. Alright, that's something. Now collect, nope. 650. Saddle down, saddle down. Oh, one off from the major. I want the major. Nothing. Do it. Holy moly. If that major drops and collect does not drop, I'm gonna be mad. 10 bucks. Didn't mean to do that. $6.25. $5. Last one. Alright, not bad. $70X.
Raise the sails.
Now, see, I got the free spins and I got trigger. Do I want to go for that one? Probably not, but we'll see. Alright, I have no clue what this means. Never played this. Grand just reset, I'm sure. Random multiplying wilds in free games. Is this free games? Maybe. I don't know. Oh, nickel. So that should be good. Touch to spin. Okay. Ooh. I want these, I guess. $10. Oh, 2 spins remaining. Alright. It's something big. Why is this red? I'm lost on that one. Last spin. Okay, that's 62.50. Can you multiply? Can it do something? I don't know. I mean, that's good. Not bad. Alright, I'll take it. We're done. Alright, I've never played this. 240 bet, nickel denom. We did get blue and pink. So let's do, no, not 2. Alright, 3. That should be okay. I can't record it, but that should be okay. Here we go. Oh, sorry. We got $15 in that. That's good. Let's get more boxes. $12.50. Mini, minor, major, please. Boxes. Okay, mini's $50. All right. Don't stop. $15. Nice. Oh, don't be stopping now. You piece of. No, we need balls up here. Ball me. Ball till I fall. Oh, crap. Last one. Hopefully not. Anything, please? No. Anything? You piece of crap. Alright. Oh, I can fast forward it. Yeah. $150. That'll work. Good win. Take that. I bet I get it. Give me a double, please. Double. Double. Oh, just one. Right. I don't know why y'all don't like this game. I like this game a lot. Oh, this thing, or her. I'm gonna need 5 in a row, please. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, last one, 4. No, this is garbage. $2. Green. Green. Alright, not bad. 133 on a 250 bat. Huge win. Alright, for once I'm not chasing a mini, minor, major, whatever. Got a bonus. We just need Miss Kitty to just full screen us. Wilds, aces, $57. This is max bet, by the way. So we got aces. What else? Jacks and whatever that is. So that paid pretty good for aces. $45 for aces. Okay, let's do that 14 more times. One more? No, give me a bonus re-trigger. I wonder how much girls pay. 1650. Wilds, aces, nope. Come on, 5 of a kind, anything. One more? Nope. Wilds, aces, nope. Nothing. Aces. Do it. Alright. 18 bucks for the 2 bonus symbols. Wilds, nope. Last spin. Almost 30x, so that's not bad. I had to show this. The freaking mini fell like 2 or 3 spins after the bonus. I got a $30 line hit, and then the mini fell. So that works. Maybe I'll bring the bonus again. I doubt it, but maybe. It's a miracle I got a bonus on this. The major's high. So 5280. I don't ever know what to pick on this crap. We're just gonna do 10. Hope for a miracle. You need re-triggers? I don't understand why that wasn't a re-trigger. How about giving me a re-trigger? Gold? How about giving me a line hit? One off from 5 of a kind. We need 2.2 million. One more. Nope. 5 of a kind is impossible for me to get. Shit. Finally, 5 of a kind. How much did that pay? 24 12 ways. So that's $268. How many spins? 3 more spins. Maybe we'll get a retrigger. I did get 10s. How much is 10s? $2.70. That's crazy. I'm enjoying this crap. I'm not touching the button. I never can get a bonus on this garbage game. Gold, yay. How much does that pay? $144 for the gold. Gold, one more. Nice. $154? Last spin. Come on, re-trigger or something just obscenely massive. Of course, you piece of crap. Came re-trigger. Massive win though. Dun, dun, dun. Amazing.